Question number 32. A train travels at a certain average speed for a distance of 63 km and then travels at a distance of 72 km at an average speed of 6 km per hour, more than its original speed. If it takes 3 hours to complete the total journey, what is the original average speed? Okay, students, firstly, let's assume original average speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. Now, let's try to understand concept of this question, right? Suppose this train starts from point A and reaches point B with its original average speed that we have assumed here x kilometer per hour, and from A to B it covers total distance of 63 kilometer. Again, it travels from point B to point C with average speed of 6 km per hour, more than its original speed. So here its speed will be x plus 6 km per hour, and from A to C it covers total distance of 72 km. And here has been written, if it takes 3 hours to complete the total journey, it means to cover distance from A to C, it takes total time 3 hours. So here total time taken 3 hours. Now we have formula for finding speed, that is speed equal to distance by time. And from this formula we can extract another formula like this. Okay, after doing cross multiplication, here we obtain speed into time will be equal to distance, again t or time will be equal to distance by speed. Now by using this formula we can make our equation according to this question. So let's make our equation over here, and this formula can be written as distance by speed equal to time. Okay, here firstly d or distance is 63 kilometer, 63 kilometer. S or speed is x kilometer per hour, plus again d or distance is 72 kilometer, and here speed is x plus 6 kilometer per hour, x plus 6 kilometer per hour equal to, okay, here total time here has been given 3 hours, so it will be equal to 3. Students, in this way here we have made an equation. Now let's solve this equation. Okay, firstly let's proceed to new page. Okay, we have equation 63 by x plus 72 by x plus 6 equal to 3. Now let's assume here 1, and here LCM of x and x plus 6 will be x plus 6 itself. Now this x and this x can be cancelled out, and here remains x plus 6, and it should be multiplied with 63. So it can be written like this: 63 x plus 6 plus, again, this x plus 6 and this x plus 6 can be cancelled out, and here remains only x, and it should be multiplied with 72. So it can be written directly: 72x equal to 3 by 1. Now 63x plus 6 3 ja 18, 1 carry, 6 6 ja 36, and 1 37, 378 plus 72x as it is, and here also x into x square plus 6x equal to 3 by 1. Again, 63x and 72x. After adding, we obtain 135x plus 378 as it is by x square plus 6x equal to 3 by 1. Now, after doing cross multiplication, we obtain 3x square plus 18x equal to 135x plus 378 as it is. Now 3x square plus 18x as it is, and this plus 135x also comes to LHS and becomes minus 135x, and this also comes to LHS and becomes minus 378 equal to 0. Now 3x square as it is, and here plus 18x and minus 135x. After subtracting, we obtain minus 117x minus 378 as it is equal to 0. And here from this terms we can extract 3 as a common. So after taking 3 as a common, here we obtain new equation: x square minus, and 3 divides 117 by 39 times x minus, and 3 divides 378 by 126 times equal to 0. Now x square minus, and this 39x can be splitted like this: 42 minus 3x minus 126 equal to 0. Now let's proceed to new page. Okay, now x square as it is, and here minus into plus minus, and x into 42, 42 x, again minus into minus plus x into 3, 3x minus 126 equal to 0. Again, in this pair x is common and here remains x minus 42 plus, and here 3 is common and here remains x plus into minus and 3 divides 126 by 42 times equal to 0. Now x minus 42 common and here remains x plus 3. Now x minus 42 make it equal to 0. So x equal to, here we obtain 42. Again x plus 3 equal to 0, and here again we obtain x equal to minus 3. But according to this question, we had to find original average speed of the train that we had assumed x kilometer per hour, right? And here we have obtained two values of x, that is 42 and minus 3, but we know that the speed of train can't be negative, so our answer will be 42. That is, original average speed of train is 42 kilometer per hour.